What this is about is how you guys can profit from crypto every single day, just like me and my team do, right? But here's the thing, a special incentive is, guys, stay to the end, we'll give you 1 million tokens if you actually share this webinar while we're on it, and you get that person to come on and stay to the end, then we'll give you 2 million tokens, okay? Pretty cool, right? All right, so guys, let's get right into it. Again, my name is Alfredo, and who's ready to get profits daily and earn some extra Bitcoin? Do me a favor, just say the number 3 right now, type it in. Let's get excited. Let's get ready. Let's rock this thing out. I really want to help you guys change your lives on this call. So let's see. I'm going to check the chat real quick. 3. Gigi said 3. Awesome. All right, cool. So here's the deal, guys. If you guys are interested in seeing profits like this on a day-to-day basis, just by trading crypto, put it like this. If you're not doing this right now, then this is the right place to be. All right, so as you can see, these are results from my actual teammates, okay, people that are in our academy, are in our system, are in our Telegram group that are getting profits like this every single day. As you can see, they range anywhere from 124% to over 300%, almost 400%. I've seen people gain 600, 700, even over 1,000% on the trades. We like to stay with the reasonable doubt, say, hey, you can easily earn 100%, but most people do more than that. They do 200, 300%. I'm going to show you how, and it's by trading on Binance Futures using our proven system, guys. So a little bit about me, not going to get too deep into it, but this is my sad story. Everyone has a story. This is mine. That's me in the top left, one of my kids. That's actually my kitchen and living room together. Yes, it was kind of small, but that's how we were living. We couldn't really afford much furniture, so we did sleep. I mean, not sleep, but we ate off boxes and paper plates for a little while. And we didn't have any vehicles. So yeah, we used to travel hard, take the train. That's 4 of the kids right there. The 5th one is in the carriage. Life was tough. It wasn't that easy. And also, as you can see, we didn't really own any furniture, any matching chairs. That was my computer desk and living room set all together. I mean, it was pretty bad, guys. But like I said, we all have a story. And, that's the past, but this is the future. And those are some of the kids you saw in the picture. And that was one of our last trips. We just basically got into summer right now. So that was our last trip to Florida. That was paid fully for in Bitcoin, guys. Yes, I paid for the whole trip. 2 weeks in 2 different mini mansions, all paid for in Bitcoin. As Bitcoin went up, I was able to take some profits and pay for the whole entire trip. Took my whole family down there. It was a lot of fun, guys. And not only that, but hey, I love cars. I love fast cars. So not only did I buy 1, 2, but I actually bought 3 McLarens, all paid for in Bitcoin, because McLaren is out of the United Kingdom and they accept cryptocurrency. They actually accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, any kind of major coin. And you can literally just go in there with your wallet and buy a car, walk out of there, 30 minutes flat, sign the paperwork, you're done. No questions asked. You don't have to go to the bank. You don't have to write a check, nothing. It's like the easiest and most hassle-free way I've ever purchased a supercar in my life. So I actually own the purple one right now. I got rid of the other ones. I traded them. I got the purple one right now, and you can see it's shooting flames out the back. I got it all worked on, got over 700 horsepower out that thing. It's just an amazing vehicle. It's something that I've never thought in my life I would ever not only drive, but own, not 1, 2, but 3 of them. Like I said, all paid for in Bitcoin. You're going to learn exactly how on this webinar. So guys, just a quick psychology cheat sheet. I want to tell you guys a little bit about the market. You guys are here to learn about crypto trading, how it works. You got to understand that the crypto market is just like the financial market. It's the same psychology behind it. Okay, so what you see in Wall Street is what you're going to see in the crypto market. So what you're going to understand is that we are at a certain point in the cycle. And if you look at the very bottom left, you're going to see that at some point we were rising up, and then the Bitcoin started to come down and retest some of those price points. And again, inside of our academy, inside of our system, we know all about this, and we share this with all of our members. You guys can profit, not lose. So we are right there at the disbelief point, which is just before optimism and belief. And then at that point, we hit the thrill and then euphoria. So that's when we're looking at Bitcoin to hit over 100, 200, even $300,000, maybe as soon as the end of the year. Right now, we're at the mid 30s. going to retest the 40,000 price point. Once we break the 40,000 price point, it's the psychological part of that that tells people, hey, we're no longer in the 30s, we're in the 40s now, and that's when the price is going to continue to rise. Okay, just like it did when it was at 20, 30, and it broke that psychological price point of 50 and continue to rise. We're going to do that again, and not only are we going to stay there, but we're going to go higher. Okay, so you guys are in for a ride. If you're looking to trade and profit from Bitcoin, this is the perfect time, because as Bitcoin starts to rise, you start to earn more and you get to fill your portfolio up with more coins as well. So that's another look at the cycle, guys. As you can see, the previous cycle was about 511 days. We are at the brink and point of a new bull run that can last over 1,000 days. That will bring us to 6 figures a Bitcoin, guys. And just before that, that's when the market's going to start to come down and retrace. But we're going to know all about that before it happens, because our system allows you to profit regardless of the market goes up or the market goes down. And that's the beautiful part. People just, normal people just tend to invest in crypto and they hold, which is, is a good way to profit. But what they don't understand is that if you're buying based on hype, right? You're buying based as a retail customer, you're buying after people already pumped the coin. You don't realize that the coin has to come down and retrace. And that's where most people lose, right? But we know about these things, so we don't allow that to happen. What we actually do is trade against the price of the coin and profit on the way down. And the funny thing is that we profit more when the coin goes down, because most people are betting that it's going to go up. But we actually trade against the price, knowing that there's a bear market, and we make huge profits. My biggest trades were when Bitcoin crashed, okay? Because Bitcoin goes up, and when it comes down, it falls down. And the faster it falls, as long as you're trading on that side, you actually profit huge and a lot faster. And that's what we teach you inside of our system. So what we have is a system called the Swipecoin Scalper. Is a signature algorithm that tells you exactly when the market is going to go up and when the market's going to go down. And that's the beautiful part, because without knowing this information, it's really hard to profit from trading if you don't know when the market's breaking out to go up or down. And that's what we teach you inside of our system. So what we have is a scalper that uses a simple 3-step system that I'm going to show you. I'm actually going to show you inside. Okay, I'm going to log into my scalper. I'm going to show you how it works. And by using these 3 simple steps, you are allowed to take profits when the market goes up or the market goes down. And here's an example of one of our students, Anthony Miller, that took advantage of the scalper. He took an Ethereum trade and was able to profit 103% on that trade. And the price didn't even have to move much. As you can see, only moved $50. But because of the way we trade, we're able to take profits as much as 100% on just a small movement of $50, guys. So who would like to see a live demo of the scalper? Just type in the number 4, and I'll show you guys exactly how this works. So this is Swipecoin. This is not the scalper. This is actually Swipecoin, which is another part of the system where we actually give you trade ideas, okay? These trade ideas are sent by our 7-figure traders that get these ideas and send them usually on a daily basis. And this right here, it would be under leverage ideas. So what leverage ideas are, there are trade signals set that allow you to take these trades on leverage platforms. Many of you might have heard of Binance or Binance Futures. That allows you to trade on leverage. So what would happen in this case, I'm going to show you guys how to take a trade. It's very simple. So if you had Binance Futures right now, right? If you had that open, what you would do is, it's simple. You will log into your Binance Futures account. Then you would enter the market at this price point right here, which is the entry price number 1. And if the price of Ethereum, because this is an Ethereum trade, happens to go a little bit lower to 2,500, then you would actually enter the trade again. Not again, but you would add more to the trade, right? To bring your dollar cost average a little bit lower. Or if you missed the entry at 25.20, then you could enter it lower at 2,500. So this trade is basically saying that Ethereum is going to go up in price. Here is your stop loss, which means if the Ethereum trade goes the wrong direction and goes down, then you set a stop loss in your futures account that would take you out the trade so that you no longer have to take a loss, right? So that's how that works. So if the trade was to go the right direction, then what this is saying, this is take profit number one, is that once the trade hits 25.50, you will start to take some of your profits out. And at that point, you can move your stop loss to a break-even point of the entry price, which makes it a risk-free trade. Now, this is confusing, or if you guys don't understand what I'm saying, it's okay, because we go through this step by step inside of our academy. And you also are going to get an opportunity to get a one-on-one call with one of our expert traders or team members that will walk you through this entire process and show you how to take these trades. But I'm just showing you how this works so you guys get an understanding of what this is all about. So if the trade continues to go further higher in price, then you would reach the point at 2,600. At that point, you would continue to take your profits. So what this is saying is that if Ethereum is going to go up in price, these are your price points, okay? That's how that works. And you would take this in your Binance Futures account, and these are the targets. And this is your stop loss if the trade was to go the wrong way. Now, this trade idea was sent earlier today. As you can see, this is Thursday, this is live. We have a previous trade on Wednesday that was sent, and this is a Ripple trade. How many of you guys are familiar with XRP Ripple? Type in the number 2. Ripple is a very, very common coin to trade. It's one of our favorite coins to trade because it's very simple. It only needs to move a cent or two in order for us to take profit, because we're trading on leveraged accounts, which means we are basically trading about 20 times the amount of our account. So if the coin only moves a cent or two, which can take a minute, could take a 2 minute, it happens very fast, then you're in profit that easy, that quick, and you're out the trade, and you can go and relax and live the rest of your day. So here's another trade idea that was sent by the same trader. And by the way, guys, if you don't know how to chart, it's perfectly fine, because all of that's already done for you. Okay, as you can see right here, this trade is charted out for you and is letting you know which direction it's headed. So here again, this is the trade pair. So it will be XRP against US dollar. Okay, and it's meant for a leverage trade, which means you're trading with leverage, you're borrowing money to trade. This is the entry price of 85 cents with a lower entry price of 83 cents if you happen to miss the 85-cent entry point. But you don't want to enter the trade if it goes any lower than 81 cents, because that means the trade is most likely going the wrong way. But as long as the trade goes the right way, then you can start taking profits as soon as 87 cents and then as high as 92 cents or even higher. As you can see here, there's $1. But here's the cool part, guys. We actually show you how to take risk-free trades. So here's an example. If you enter the trade at 85 cents, right, and you're already at 87 cents, or even 92 cents, what you can do is you can put your stop loss, instead of at 81 cents, you could put it at 85 cents, which is the entry price of your trade, which means if the trade goes to 92 cents, it would take you out in profit. But if it goes back down to 85 cents, all it would do is stop you out the trade, and you don't lose, you don't gain, nothing happens. Well, in this case, let's say, for example, that you enter at 85 cents, the trade goes to 87 cents, so you took partial profits, then it didn't make it to 92, instead it went back down to 85. Then all it's going to do is take you out the trade without taking any losses. Guys, it's a real easy way to trade. And again, if any of this seems a little complex, you don't worry, because this is what we teach inside of our academy. So that's just a real quick example of how leverage trade works. And as you can see, there's plenty of them that are sent on a daily basis. Now over here we have exchange trade ideas. So for those who like to trade for actual coins and not trade for money, these are the kind of trades you would take. And as you can see, we trade all kinds of coins. It's Polkadot, GRT, Matic, Chainlink, Ethereum, and exchange ideas are giving you trade ideas to actually profit on the coin itself. That means if you're looking to expand your portfolio, then you would take exchange ideas, which means what you're doing is you're buying the coin. Okay, leverage ideas, you're trading the price of the coin. Exchange ideas, what you're doing is actually buying the coin itself, and you're holding on to the coin as it rises in price. So that's how this works, guys. So for those people who don't like to trade risky leverage, they can simply just take our exchange ideas and invest in a coin itself. Now let's get into the scalper, and then what I'll do is, if you guys have any questions, I'll answer them in the chat. This is a scalper, guys. This is one of my favorite tools to trade with because it simply just tells you when the market's going to go up and when it's going down. So if you look at this trade right here, right, this is a perfect example. Our scalper had given a buy signal around $33,300, right, somewhere in that area. So when Bitcoin was at 33,000, a scalper had recognized an opportunity for it to go up in price, which it did by a lot. It reached as high as 37,000, then it hit it again, and then it started to come down a little bit, which the scalper had called a sell call, which wasn't confirmed. It decided to continue going back up. It reached as high as 38,000. So what that means is, if you were a member of this scalper, so if you had access to the scalper before this call and you entered a trade at 33,000, that means you place this trade around here and you hold for profits until the scalper changes direction and calls a different call, which over here called a sell call. At that point, you have an opportunity to exit a trade or take your profits and then exit a trade. But this is about 3,000 pips in profit or more. Guys, this is huge. A pip can be as much as $1 in profit, which means if you took this trade within a day or two, or not even within the same day, would have been up about $3,000 in profit. So our scalper gives very, very good signals. Let me change this over to the line so that it looks a little bit cleaner. So as you can see right here, at the current moment, so if you guys are even, if you have your Binance Futures account already, looking to take a trade, at the current moment, we are in a sell position. Okay, the scalper had indicated that there's a sell, and over here, what happens is we get price points to verify. So if there's a sell call and we are confirming that it actually breaks and stays below the price of 30, you could say 37,000, then that validates this sell call for a trade. As you can see, if you were to place this trade back at 37,000 and it's, as you can see, it broke and still below, you would be about 1,000 pips in profit right now. And that took no longer than probably 30 minutes or so to be in profit, which means 1,000 pips is $1,000 in profit, guys. So it's that simple. And not only do we do Bitcoin, but we also do Ethereum as well. So let me change this over to the line and show you guys, this is massive. I mean, this right here is massive. Our scalper had indicated that there was a sell opportunity back at 2,700. And at that point, Ethereum dropped all the way to 23. That's about 3,000 pips right there. Again, about $3,000 in pips. With Ethereum, every $100 is, every dollar is equal to 10 in pips. So that's huge, guys. This right here, whenever you see big, movements like this, these are huge opportunities for profits. As you can see right here, the market was consolidating. It was trying to make a decision on which way it's going to go. And right here, it decided to go down again. As you can see, it was marked up saying if the price breaks and closes below 2,500, you're good to enter the trade. And as you can see right here at 2,500, the price is now at 2,400, which is about $1,000 in pips, guys. This is huge. And it's very simple, and you guys have access to this tool 24/7. So trading is very simple when it comes to using our scalper tool, because all you have to do is wait for the trade to validate the price, because at every price point and every signal, we are given a price point to validate, which means if it doesn't break above or below a certain price point that's indicated, this is marked up by our system, then you don't take the trade. You only take these trades when it validates the signal by breaking and closing either above for a buy or below for a sell. It's that simple, but all of this is given to you. These are copy and paste trades. You don't have to sit here and figure this stuff out yourself. It's all given to you. So this is how our scalper works. And let me tell you guys who are watching, if you just trade this alone and nothing else, you guys can be in profit all day long because our scalper always indicates which way the market is going. And it's not only by markup by the buys and sells, because this happens often when there's consolidation. Consolidation in the market, which it only means that it's deciding on which way it's going to go. Once it determines which way it's going to go, whether up or down, then there's a confirmation of the price break. And at that point, we would enter the trade and take our profits. It's very simple, guys. If it seems a little bit confusing, don't worry, because it's really not. If you just look at this, if you were to log in right now and look at this, all you simply have to do is say, hey, number one, it's a sell order, right? It's a sell signal, which means the market is going down. If it stays below this price point, that validates the sell call. And that at that point, you would take a trade and be in profits. That's all it is. And these are copy and paste numbers you put into your MT4 or your Binance Futures account and trade and take your profits. That's it, guys. It's not hard. We have people that join our system and within 24 hours are placing their first trades and seeing profits. So it's a very, very good system, guys. It's one of the best out there. People are profiting every day, even if they've never traded before. And I just want to show you guys our scalper results. In 2020 alone, we had over 43,000 pips in profit. Now, remember, back in 2020, the prices were nowhere near what they are now. So 43,000 pips in profit is a lot, but now we're in the hundreds of thousands of pips because the price had gone up so much in the whole market that the pip movements are just so much greater. So it's even easier to make profits now in 2021 with the way the price is. Our swipe coin results, guys, these are the trade ideas that I was showing you at first. In 2020, we had 206 wins with 41 losses, which gives you an 83% accuracy for a total of about 63,000 pips of profit. And these are trade ideas between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. As far as those people who like to trade Ripple, guys, our 2020 results are as follows. We had 95 wins with 16 losses with Ripple trades alone, which gave us about 13,000 pips. And again, Ripple was like so much lower in price. I mean, it was like in the 20 cents, 30 cents, nowhere near what it is now. So the pip movements are a lot greater now. But again, we have 85% accuracy with our trade ideas. As you can see, some of our members love trading Ripple. Just as one of our team members, Jana, she loves trading Ripple. She's had 200% profits on one and 240% profits on another Ripple trade just by using our trade ideas, guys. It's very simple. They're copy and paste and easy to do. So our total 2020 results between Bitcoin, Ethereum, the scalper, and Ripple trades, altogether, we had over 100,000 pips in profit in 2020. And in 2021, it's looking like we're going to triple or quadruple those numbers with the way the prices are moving right now in the market. As you can see, one of our other members, like I said, 100% is easy to do. Some of our members are doing as high as 300 to 500%. And these are Ripple trades as well, because like I said, they're very easy to trade. All you need to do is, all Ripple needs to do is move up like 1 or 2 cents and you're in profit. So it's very, very easy to trade, guys. Here's the deal. Everything is included with our DCX Academy membership. For people that actually join our academy, you get access to everything you see, which is a swipe coin, the swipe coin scalper, the swipe coin mobile app, which I'm going to show you is really, really cool, because what that allows you to do is take trades on your phone, and you don't even need a computer. You don't even need to be at home, which for some of you guys that might be at work or might be, whatever, you might be like I said, on vacation or at the beach or whatever. You can be anywhere you want and take these trades right off your mobile device, because I actually have more fun trading on mobile because I could be anywhere and the signal is sent to my phone from the scalper or trade idea, and you could just go on your mobile app and take the trade. But we also have something called Go Live and DCX Harmonics, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. But this is how our mobile app looks, guys. So again, I showed you the desktop version, right? And what happens in the mobile app, you get the same exact information sent to your mobile phone. You get the charting, you get the price points, and then you get also the chat, which gives you updates on what's happening live with the trade. So it's very, very simple, guys. This stuff just like rocks on. It's so easy to do. And as you can see, an example of someone who loves using the mobile app again is Gigi, because here's a shot of her at the beach. She got a signal on her phone. She took the trade. She made profits. That's the same Gigi that we had made 300 to 500% in profits just by trading with the signals that are sent to your mobile device. So we have something else called DCX Live. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Zoom or online college, or because of the pandemic, people were forced to stay home and take online education. But this is what this is. This is online education. This is education you could have at your fingertips at home. That's ongoing. It's not like old rehash training. This is basically like watching a professor teach you about crypto every single week. So just like you're on this call right now and I'm teaching you guys about our system, you actually have these educators that are teaching you all sorts of different parts of the market on our Go Live system, which you can attend at any point that they're Go Live. And if you miss it because of the time zone difference, then you can simply just watch the previous recording of the training. So you get access to that inside of our academy as well. And basically how our system works is simple, okay? Because we have a business building side to this as well, which means if you know anyone that will love to learn how to trade crypto, will love to build up the crypto portfolio, will love to make more money, retire their job, retire to 95, we have a system for that, where if you share this opportunity with others, you can make a residual income as well. So what people are doing is they're sharing this business with others simply by posting their results on Instagram or on Facebook, or just reaching out to people who always want to learn how to trade and invest in crypto. And what they're doing is they're using that money to put into their trading account to then double it or triple it and then invest into long-term assets. So the process works, guys. It's very, very simple. The original, okay, is it's just an algorithm. All right. There's no person behind it. There's no trader. It's just an algorithm, and our traders, all they do is mark up the price where they want it to break up or down. So the Smooth platform, this is drawn up by our master traders. Okay, so it's a little bit different. Okay, it's more of a long-term play. Okay, it's where the scalper is, you're just scalping for pips. The Smooth, what that does, like I said, this is by our master trader Picasso, and what he's doing is giving you more of a long-term trade. So as you can see, that it's only done like hours or days, whereas the original can be done multiple times per day, and there could be multiple calls within a day. So as you see, here's an hour, 3 hours, 10 hours, 16 hours, and then on the Smooth, it's only done very so often versus like every couple of hours. So this one's 10 hours, a day ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So that's the difference with the Smooth and the original. These are more for swing trading, whereas the original is meant more to just catch some pips for profits. And then as you can see, these are the price points that we're looking at. These are the entry points in the market. The cloud in the back it's who's controlling the market. When you see red, it's basically a seller's market. When you see green, it's a buyer's market. So That's what the major difference is between the original and the smooth. So I hope that answers your question. That's a great question. Guys, like I said, you know, another part of this is not only to trading, but it's also investing into long term. So just for you guys to understand, when you're trading, okay, on Binance futures, you're trading for dollars. You're trading for more money. So if you're at $100, you're trying to make 200. When you're investing in long-term digital assets, what you're doing is you're buying the coin, speculating that the coin is going to go up, because I don't think anyone wants to buy if they think it's going down. So you're investing in the coin for long-term wealth. These are people that want to buy and hold, what they call hodl, for months or for years. So that's the major difference with trading futures for prices or trading, you know, investing into long-term. So I hope that helps clarifies things a little bit. And everyone should have a balanced portfolio, guys. I want you to understand that a balanced portfolio should consist of 10% of a wild card, which is probably your meme coins, your shit coins, they call them, or, you know, you're just throwing the dice, hoping that one of these coins would go to the moon, like they say. But half your portfolio should be in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin dominates most of the market. Bitcoin moves the market. So half of your portfolio should be with Bitcoin, and then 40% should be altcoins, which is like Ethereum for the most part, which is the major altcoin, and Ripple and others. Well, every other coin outside of Bitcoin is considered an altcoin. So these are like basically your top 10 coins. And I would keep an eye on the top 10 coins, and don't worry so much about the rest. I would say the rest would be your wild card. Okay, but the top 10 coins, which is, if we go over to coin market right now, I hope you guys can see coin market. All right, and I'm teaching you guys something. This is what I look at. All right, look, if you look right here, there's over 10,000 cryptos. Okay, you don't need all 10,000. You don't even need 1,000. Okay, here's a market cap. BTC dominance is 43% on the market, which means it moves most of the market. So if you look right here, I would focus on the top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum. All right, Tether is just a stable coin. So you guys don't know what a stable coin is. It's basically a coin that doesn't go up or down. That's where you will lock in your prices, okay? We could explain that in another call. That's more of a little bit like the intermediate stuff. But Tether is basically a stable coin. It doesn't go up or down. It's the digital version of the dollar, okay? Well, I'm going to give you guys a tip. If you didn't trade on futures, right? If you're not trading on leverage, but you still want to take hold of your profits, but you don't want to pull out the market, an easy thing to do, the easiest and the best thing to do as well, so you don't get taxed right away, is that what you want to do is you want to take some, let's say Bitcoin right now is at 36,000, and we told you that Bitcoin is about to go at 30,000 to retest that price point. Then what you would do is, if you own a Bitcoin, right, what you would do is you would exchange your Bitcoin to a stable coin like the USD Tether, and what happens is, what you end up with is $36,000. What you end up is $36,000 of USD Tether. Okay, $36,000 in digital coin. So when Bitcoin goes to 30,000, what you would do is you would transfer or exchange your USD Tether back into Bitcoin, which would give you more Bitcoin than you originally had. So that's also considered a trade, but you're not trading on leverage. You're trading basically dollar for dollar. So that's something cool to keep in mind as well. All right. So I would definitely focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, which is ADA, Dogecoin. Be careful with, it's really pumped by social media, XRP and Polkadot and Uniswap. These are definitely good coins to keep an eye on, okay? And as you can see, the price is going down. It's a great way to catch these coins on a discount, you would sort of say, all right? So yeah, guys, this is what I would do. Focus on the top 10 coins. You don't need to have thousands of coins. Just focus on the top 10, and you can make enough money with that alone. So I hope that helps answer some questions. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tip, knowing that you can always use USD Tether to lock in your profits without pulling out the market. And on Binance, it's a simple, just click of a button. You can convert from USD Tether to Bitcoin, or Bitcoin back to USD Tether, or any coin, actually. It's very cool. I love Binance because they accept a lot of coins. So just a cool little tip for you guys that are watching.
My video on, you guys can hear me?
Yes, yes, we hear you and see you, man.
What's up, Alfredo? How you doing?
I'm doing great, man. Giving some guys some value, teach them a few things about the market, what to focus on, and basically how to trade different ways and what we're all about. So, for you guys
Awesome.
don't know, it's Jason Stone, aka Millionaire Mentor. He's not only my good friend, he's also my business partner. He introduced me to the system, and ever since I've been introduced to it, I've been rocking and rolling, and now I'm here sharing my value and knowledge with you guys. So, take it
Awesome.
away, man. What you got? Because I know you're in the
Thank you. I'm
you're in the
I'm
comments.
actually on a date with my wifey. We're at a comedy club right now. But I told Alfredo I'm gonna jump on his call tonight, and I gotta stick to it. So I ran out in the middle of the halftime show. It's not a halftime, but anyways. So I just had to come on here, let you guys know that my man Alfredo here is absolutely been crushing it with cryptocurrency. I've known him for a long time, for many years. We've done many different offers together. We've always kind of came back to cryptocurrency. Like cryptocurrency has always been like our fallback on, and we've been teaching it for a good like 5-6 years, I think. No more, probably more than that. 2016, 4 or 5 years, yeah. So, I've been in the cryptocurrency game since 2000 and a little bit right before the 2017 bubble. And this is something you guys got to learn about. The 24 people that are on this call, pay attention to what Alfredo has to say. He knows what he's talking about. We've been doing this for a long time, and this is the biggest wealth transfer in history. I know a lot of people, a lot of friends of mine that have actually gone past broke, putting all their money into crypto. Me myself, I'm about 60, maybe 70-30 into crypto, and I just keep pulling money out, my fiat out the bank, and I just keep dumping it into crypto. Why? Because it is the future. Trust me, guys. If you don't think so, you will know so in the next 5 to 10 years. We are on the brink. If you're on this webinar, you're in like the insider space. And we're telling you this because we know when we can foresee the future, like the foreign exchange is a $6 trillion a day market. The foreign exchange. Ever traveled abroad, you're going to transfer US dollar for the peso, the US dollar for the Canadian dollar or the yen. That is where cryptocurrency is going. Bye-bye are the days of fiat money around the world. Every government will soon adopt digital currencies. In fact, we just had the first country in the world to adopt cryptocurrency as Bitcoin as legal tender. What was it? Not Panama. What was it, Alfredo? The country? I just posted on my story. I had a brain fart.
It was El Salvador.
El Salvador. There you go. Thank you, Alfredo Valenti. El Salvador just adopted the first legislative law that says cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is legal tender, and merchants have to accept it. Now, there's going to be a domino effect of this, and more countries. And I actually just saw an article that India was against cryptocurrency law, but they're going to make it legal tender. Guys, as more and more countries adopt this, you're going to see Bitcoin shoot to the roof. Now, there's money to be made besides Bitcoin, guys. There's money to be made with all these different altcoins. This is what they know as alternative coins. And alternative coins is where most of my money's going, because alternative coins have the biggest volatility and the biggest upside, in my opinion. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, they're cool. Cardano, also my number one pick, Cardano. I'm going to tell you guys, Cardano is my number one pick. And then as far as a low cap coin, it's Superbid. Superbid has a social media auction app coming out. And I'm super bullish on it right now. It's a $35 million market cap. So, just quick pick. Besides investing in altcoins and, inside of our mentorship program, there's plenty of altcoins that we recommend, from mid cap to low cap to mega cap. We teach you guys how to build a portfolio of coins, and then we teach you guys how to trade it on a daily basis. There you go, $5.89. I bought that coin. I told people about that coin at 75 cents and $1. Everybody, a couple months ago, all my team profited 10x on that coin. And then I told them to buy the dip. See the dip? It went back up to $8. So from $1.50 to $8, people profited again. So one of my favorite coins and small cap coins is this right now. I'm sure Alfredo taught you about the scalper. Guys, the scalper is gold. You have to listen to the scalper because it tells you when to get in and get out of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Real quick, if I can I share my screen real quick? Anyways, the scalper, allowed me to make profits last night of about $13,000 in profits. Just last night. I would show you on my share my screen, but
no, try now.
Just quick little testimonial proof. We like to show you guys proof because this stuff works. So this is our Discord server. We have trade ideas that go out. Trade ideas right here. Yesterday at 2:12 a.m., we put a trade idea in the chart. Boom, buy Bitcoin at 33,176. Bought Bitcoin. Take profit. We had some, it came down since then, but I go to my trading app, go to the history. Within the last week, I profited $13,482 on Bitcoin. And as you can see, I'm in Bitcoin trades right now. Right now we're down, but it's okay because we're heading back up. But anyway, so the DCX chat, we chat about cryptocurrencies. We post charts. Profits here, 112% of their money. Let's see. Got the crypto news that comes out. El Salvador, there you go. Crypto news. Super bid. So guys, that's just a little sneak peek. I'm gonna get back inside to the wifey. She's probably wondering where I'm at. But guys, I'm here for you. Mentorship is the secret sauce to success. You have to get around people like myself and Alfredo here to give you guys an in, and like we're gonna tell you what not to do, tell you what to buy, when to buy, how to buy, when to sell, what coins to buy, and then we're gonna give you access to even more mentors inside of our academy. So thank you for having me on this quick little webinar here. I'm gonna get back at it. You guys have fun. Sign up, guys. Listen to me. This will be the best $175 you ever spend in your entire life. It's like $7 a day. I'm sure everybody can afford $7 a day. It's like a cup of coffee is lunch. So get involved. Mentorship is the secret sauce to success. Get signed up, and we'll see you guys on the inside. Peace.
Take care. Thanks, bro. All right, guys. So let's get back into it because it's a good thing that he actually talked about those numbers because I have a breakdown for you as well. So if you guys can see my screen, I actually saved the best part for last. But we talked about Superbit, we talked about altcoins and stuff like that. Real quick before I get into the math, I'm going to show you guys something. We actually have another system, okay, inside of our system, which allows you to trade altcoins. So I don't know if you could see it right now. You should see DCX Harmonics. This tool right here focuses on altcoins, guys. So here are some of the coins that it shows you how to trade. You got Ethereum, YFI, BTC, Link, DOT, Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin. So it gives you signals on all of these coins. And here's the cool part is that it shows you where to enter the market. Let me zoom in on this. Okay, it shows you where to enter the market, where to put your stop loss, where to take your take profit 1 and take profit 2. Again, copy and paste material. The numbers are written out for you, and it's all based on an algorithm inside of the system. So it's very simple, guys, and you get signals sent on an hourly basis, as you can see, that you can just copy and paste these trades. And again, put them into your Binance account or your MT4 trader, whichever one. But actually, MT4 doesn't allow these coins. So I would just stick with Binance, which we teach you guys how to use inside of our system. So very, very simple. And that's also included with your membership as well. So I just wanted to point that out. Making money trading is very simple. It can be done in 3 steps, guys. All you got to do is open up a Binance account and fund it. We also recommend starting with a small amount because before you start trading big, we want you to get used to trading with small amounts so that you can get used to the platform. And again, we show you exactly how to enter and exit these trades all the time, guys. So step 2 will be join the DCX Academy, get instant access to Swipecoin and the scalper as well. And then step 3, go to Swipecoin, copy and paste your very first trade or use a scalper. And that's it. It's that simple, guys. Like I said, make money in 3 steps. As you can see, these are the same 3 steps that Christina used to make 424% profits. She posted this on Facebook just using the tools that we talked about inside of our platform. These are some of the other results, guys, that we have. As you can see, anywhere from 100 to 300% returns on all of our trades. And it's just by using the swipe coin, using scalper, and using tools like the DCX harmonics. As you can see, there's not only Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, Matic, FTM. So people are winning with all kinds of coins, guys. Everything's included with your membership. You got the swipe coin, the swipe coin scalper, the mobile app, go live, DCX harmonics, and like Jason said, you get mentorship. You get personal mentorship from seven-figure traders and investors as well, guys, all inside of our system. Everything's included with the DCX bonuses, guys. You get swipe coin scalper, like I said, go live, mentorship. But not only that, there's something outside of the membership that you guys get. You get the Telegram trade room, you get access to our Discord server, you get, like Jason showed you, get Instagram engagement pods. We have training on mindset development. We have Jordan Belfort's straight line selling course that we give you guys for free. We have Insta Pro Academy, Instagram domination course, and so much more. That's all available inside of the Discord server that you get access to as well. But let me just give you guys some simple math. Jason had talked about basically like starting with 175, which really breaks down to $6 a day, right? It's about $6 a day to own the academy and all the tools, right? But if you were to start with as simple as $100 account, this is where the math really makes sense, because I don't think you guys understand that if you just simply trade one trade per day at 100%, you're profiting $6. And there's a reason why, because we only trade, I want you guys to write this down, okay? We only trade with 3% of our account, guys. 3%, okay? Why we only do 3% of our account? Because that will keep your account alive. And if there was a crash or a dip, your account would not liquidate, which means go to zero, because you're only trading 3%. So trading with 3% on a $100 account, which will give you a $6 profit, which makes your academy basically free. But if you were to take that same trade and profit 200%, now you doubled your account because you're earning $12 a day, right? Which means your account is now $200 on month number 2. So the first month you profit $372. Your second month you're in profit $744, because now you're taking this very same trade at 100%, which gives you $12. Or if you simply took that trade and did 200%, now you're profiting $24 a day. And I already showed you that most people do more than 100%, some as high as 300 to 400% profit every single trade. You don't need 5 trades a day. You just need one to give you anywhere from 100 to 200%, and you're making more than what it costs to own the tools, the training, the software, everything that I talked about, guys. So, if we were to do this now, let's say you guys had more money to invest, and now you had $1,000 account. Okay, you just do one trade per day at 100%, you're profiting $60, okay, a day, with only trading 3% of your $1,000 account. So if you guys had one trade per day and you're earning 200%, now you're profiting $120 a day just by trading 3% of your account. We're not telling you to trade your whole $1,000, but $1,000 stays in your account, but you're trading only 3%. That gives you a profit of $3,700 a month. All it is for less than $6 a day. Okay, now if you doubled your account, month number 2, now you have $2,000. One trade per day at 100%, you're profiting $120. If the same very trade, if you took the very same trade and you earn 200% profit, you're earning $240 per day on that trade, which gives you a profit of $7,400. Now think about this. Every month you'll be doubling your account. So now month 3 you've had $4,000, month 4 $8,000, so on and so forth. And it's very simple. It just takes one trade per day to win anywhere from 100 to 200%, guys. And all it is for less than $6 a day. Trading crypto is so simple, so much fun. All you do is log into SwipeCoin Scalper, copy one of the trades. You go to your Binance Futures account, place a trade, set your take profit, stop losses, win and collect your profits, and live your life. And like I said, I showed you 100% is the bare minimum. We have people earning 200, even 600% returns on some of these trades, guys. It's so simple. You get access to all of that. So all you have to do is get back with the person who invited you to this call and start making money in 24 hours or less. So now at this point, guys, like I said, I promised you that we were going to do a token giveaway So I need you guys to screenshot this. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these links and I'm going to post it in the chat. So for those that stood to the very end, all right, guys, all you have to do is copy and paste this link. So if you go there, okay, there's going to be a form to fill out. On that form, you're going to put your name, email, wallet address, and you will get 1 million token sent to you guys, just like that, okay? And if you ever want to see the price of the coin, I'm going to give you the second link. You go right here. And right there, you can get the price of the coin, guys, okay? So, okay, if someone else invites you to this call, just get back with them, and they'll be able to get you registered and get you signed up. Very easy, very fast. And once you're in, you'll get access to all these tools. You get access to the Discord server, all of everything I showed you guys, all the bonuses. And it's so much stuff, so much value, guys. And all of this for less than $6 a day, which means you only need to profit $6 on one trade to make this completely free. While you're learning, you're earning, and it's just so much fun, guys. And that's just the trading side. Like I said, we also have a business building side as well, which we can get further into that once you guys get inside the academy. If you simply just refer 2 people, your academy becomes free. If you refer 3 or more people, then you start to earn from the compensation plan, which we have huge incentives for you guys to earn from. So it's that simple. Just trade, make money, share the program, and make more money, guys. It's that easy. So with that said, I'm going to sign out. My name is Alfredo. It was a pleasure to teach you guys about our system and how to trade. I hope you guys got some value. If you learn anything on this call, just type the number 2 or say, hell yeah. I would love to know that we shared some great value with you guys. 222 is awesome. You guys are welcome. So please get back with the person who invited you. Get started today. Go ahead, claim your million tokens as well. Give them about 24 hours or so before you see it in your wallet. And hey, if that thing ends up going to a penny, you guys just made $10,000 just by hanging out on this call. And that's just the beginning. But we're always announcing new coins. Like I said, Superbit we announced in our community. People had 10x their investment. I think somebody had invested $100,000 and made $1 million in 24 hours just by investing in that coin, because we told them about it back when it was $1 and it hit $10. We also told people about Dogecoin. We told people about so many coins inside of our system, guys. And like I said, you get access to all of that. You heard it here first. So again, get back with the person who invited you. If I invited you, reach out to me on Instagram at PayLikeAlfredo, or reach out to me on Telegram, and I'll be more than happy to sign you up and get you started today, guys. So again, take care. God bless. Happy trading, and see you guys inside of the program. Take care.